Hey gang, today I want to talk to you about contractions. Contractions is a shortened form of two words put together with an apostrophe. For example, words like I am, I can shorten that and put those two words together and create I'm, but I must use an apostrophe to replace that missing A in am. Do not would look like this. Don't. D-O-N apostrophe T. D-O-N. I'm going to put the apostrophe in place of the O and just squeeze those two words together. We are is pronounced we're, as in we're going to the store. I could say we are going to the store, or I could shorten it with this contraction, we're. Now, notice in this one, W-E apostrophe R-E. You are is turned into your, will not is turned into won't, I have is turned into I've. Now, I want you to go in and follow this link and play this contraction game. Next, I want you to go into exact path. Now, if you have completed reading diagnostic number 3 in school with me on Tuesday, then you are fine. If you did not get a chance to complete it, I want you to go in and pick up where you left off, or if you haven't had a chance to start it yet, please go in and take the diagnostic 3. It must be done as soon as possible. If you've already completed the diagnostic, then work in your reading path for 30 minutes.